malayo ro sa Cavite? Nag-type ka ng house and lot for sale in Cavite sa search. Ang daming results pero wala pa din yung pinakamalapit at accessible para sa mga working sa Makati and BGC. Especially for OFWs na gustong very accessible to Manila and NAIA. Sabi ng agent mo, within an hour daw nasa project ka na pero sa tripping, 2 hours ka stuck sa traffic. Kabayan, gaano ba kahalaga sa iyo ang oras mo sa pamilya? Every minute delayed in traffic costs you money, energy, and most especially time. As I always say to my clients, no two properties are created equal. Ready ka na ba for a 30-minute travel time? Huwag ka muna mag-commit to any project until you visited this. A property investment is long-term, so think long-term. A home with the closest proximity to Metro Manila via Cavitex. Uuwi ka ng mas maaga kaysa sa iba at ang good news, araw-araw itong mangyayari. Araw-araw oras ka na i-date si Mrs. gabi-gabi. Aabutan mo pang sunduin ng mga kids from school. Huwag na nating patagalin. Halika na at mag-tripping sa Park Royal by Masaito Homes located at Imus, Cavite. Good day mga kabayan. Si Kabayan Ray po ito, your licensed real estate broker. Special mention sa ating mga OFWs. Ready na ba kayong maging homeowners dito sa Pinas kahit nasa abroad pa kayo? Today, let me show you why Park Royal by Masaito Homes in Imus, Cavite is strategically positioned sa heart ng major developments. Guys, imagine living in a location na surrounded kayo ng mga premium destinations. You have SM Mall of Asia just 30 minutes away. Shopping, dining, entertainment, lahat nandoon. Plus, malapit din kayo sa airport for easy travels, especially para sa mga OFWs. But here's what makes it even more exciting. Your neighbors with high-end developments. Katabi lang halos ng Evo City by Ayala Land, Antel Grand Village, at Lancaster New City. Ibig sabihin, guaranteed na ma-develop talaga ang area at tataas ang property values. Practical needs? Covered din kayo. Malapit sa major hospitals para sa healthcare needs ng family. Schools are within reach para sa mga kids. At supermarkets for daily essentials, lahat accessible. This is what we call strategic positioning mga kabayan. You're not just buying a house, you're investing in a location na surrounded ng growth drivers. Yung mga premium developments na yan, they're your insurance na your property value will appreciate significantly. For OFW especially, this means peace of mind. Alam ninyong your investment is in an area na continuously growing and developing. Ready ba kayong makita pa ang other amazing features ng Park Royal? Stay tuned. Hey future homeowners, let's talk about the number one question everyone has when considering a property in Cavite. Okay, pero paano ang biyahe? Well, what if I told you that Cavite is undergoing a massive transportation glow you up? And that the area around your future home is about to become the most connected place in the South. Today, we're breaking down the 5 major infrastructure projects that are game changers. This isn't just about roads. It's about your future time, convenience, and the value of your investment. Let's dive in. First up, the one everyone's talking about, the LRT1 Cavite Extension. This is a total game changer for daily commuters. Imagine this, the train line is being extended from Baclaran all the way to Bacoor with a key station at Talaba. This means reliable commute, no more being stuck in jeepney or bus traffic for hours kasi nga the LRT is fast and predictable. Affordable, Train fare is significantly cheaper than gas, toll, or even UV Express fees. For students, professionals, and anyone who needs to go to Manila, this is the ultimate solution. Your future home is just a short ride away from a major train station. Napaka-convenient, di ba? Okay, for our future homeowners na nag-drive ng car nila papasok at pauwi ng office, this one is for you, the Tramo C5 link to Cavitex. This might sound technical, but here's what it means in simple terms. It's a brand new, direct flyover that will connect C5-inch Taguig directly to Cavitex. Right now, going to Cavitex from Manila often means heavy traffic of EDSA, Baclaran, and Diosdado Macapagal Boulevard, lalo na kapag rush hour. This new link bypasses all of that. It will cut travel time from C5 to Cavitex by up to 45 minutes. If you work in BGC Makati area, this is your new best friend. Now, let's talk about the two giants that are already here and expanding, Cavitex and Calax. Think of Cavitex, Manila-Cavite Expressway as your direct superhighway to the heart of Manila MOA, Parañaque, and the entertainment city. It's your fastest route to the airport and the south of Manila. And then there's Calax Cavite Laguna Expressway. This is your key to the south. It seamlessly connects Cavite to Laguna, passing through key economic zones like Silang, Santa Rosa, and going all the way to Mamplasan. Together, these two expressways mean you are never stuck. North to Manila, take Cavite. South to Laguna or Batangas, take Calax. Marami kang options, and options mean less traffic and more time sa iyong pamilya. And finally, for our frequent travelers and OFWs, andyan ang NAIAX or NAIA Expressway. This isn't just any road, it's a dedicated expressway that links Cavitex and Skyway directly to all three terminals of NAIA. Imagine this, you land at NAIA after a long flight. Instead of facing the nightmare of airport traffic, you get on your car, enter NAIA, and you're on Cavitex in minutes. 20 to 30 minutes later, you're home. No stress, no hassle. That is priceless, kabayan. So, let's put it all together. It's not just about one road or one train line. It's about how all of these projects work together to transform Cavite into the most accessible and well-connected area in the South. Hindi ka lang basta bibili ng bahay, you're investing in a location that is future-proof. The value of your property, it's growing along with these infrastructures. Kabayang future Cavite homeowners, let's get straight to the point. Isa ito sa laging tinatanong sa akin ng mga home buyers. Gaano katagal ang biyahe? Promise, huwag kayo ma-intimidate. We're breaking it down by vehicle and by destination so you know exactly what to expect. Let's go! Let's start with everyone's favorite. Syempre ang SM Mall of Asia. Ito yung pinakamabilis. With minimal traffic, you can get from Park Royal to Mall of Asia in just 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, parang biyahe lang from Quezon City to Makati on a good day. Pero syempre kapag rush hour traffic, roughly less than an hour. Kung gumagamit ka ng motor, syempre mas mabilis yun. You can bypass some tighter spots. Basta always be careful ha, expect around 20 minutes. Kapag bus or UV Express naman, depende yan sa haba ng pila at dami ng pasaherong nag-aabang. But once moving, roughly 25 to 35 minutes lang. Now, for our corporate professionals working in Makati, if nakakotse ka papasok via Cavitex, then NAIAX, then C5 Tramolink. This is the secret combo. Using these new connectors, you can reach Ayala in 30 to 40 minutes. Of course, ibang usapan kapag rush hour at traffic. Kung ikaw ay nagmomotor, syempre mas mabilis, so mga around 25 to 35 minutes is achievable. Kung bus naman to Ayala, may point-to-point buses na available. With traffic on the secondary roads, expect about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Next is BGC, the land of the young professionals. Ito na ang sagot. Via car, ang daan mo is Cavitex, then C5 Link. This is your best bet. On a good day, you can arrive in BGC in 35 to 45 minutes. Kung magmotor naman, again, ito yung efficient choice. You're looking at 30 to 40 minutes. Then kung public transport gaya ng bus, may point-to-point bus to Ayala, then another bus papuntang BGC. This is the most common way. In total, with waiting times, it can take 1 hour to 1 hour and 30 minutes. And for our OFWs and frequent travelers, ito ang travel time to airport. Via car, ang daan mo is Cavitex, then IEX. This is a game changer. From the Cavitex entry, it's a smooth, non-stop ride straight to the airport terminals. 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes! Wag lang rush hour. Kung motor naman, similar time lang din, around 15 to 20 minutes. Kung bus naman, may diretsong biyahe to PITX. Then from PITX to NAIA, expect roughly 40 to 50 minutes, depende sa pila sa terminal. But wait, there's more! Remember the LRT 1 Cavite extension? Once the LRT Talaba Bacoor Station is operational, sigurado akong bibilis ang biyahe mo pa Manila, from Park Royal to Talaba, then to Baclaran. Estimated travel time is only 30 to 40 minutes. And from Baclaran, you can connect to anywhere in Manila. From Park Royal to Talaba to EDSA Station, connecting to MRT. This will be the ultimate combo for a predictable air-conditioned commute if pupunta ka naman ng Makati at BGC. Kabayan, real talk tayo. When you think of investing in Cavite, anong mga pangalan ang naisip nyo? Yung mga malalaki, sikat at laging nababanggit, di ba? But what if I told you that the best opportunities are often the ones nobody's talking about yet? Today, we're uncovering a hidden gem tucked away in Imus. It's not just a subdivision, it's a master plan community that everyone is sleeping on. This is Park Royal in Imus. While everyone is busy looking sa mga big name projects, they're missing out on a community that has already been established. Park Royal Imus is a mature, thriving community. Hindi siya soon to be or promised to build. It's already here. The roads are wide and paved, the trees are grown, the amenities are fully functional, and the community is alive. That's a huge advantage that pre-selling projects can't offer you right now. Now, let's talk about location and bakit dito ka sa Park Royal mag-i-invest. Napaka-strategic kasi ng lugar. Bungad lang siya ng Cavite. It is seamlessly connected to Aguinaldo Highway and Centennial Highway, and it has easy access to Cavitex and the upcoming Calac. You're just a 15 to 20 minute drive from the massive shopping and entertainment options at the District Imus, Ayala Mall Evo City, Ayala Mall Vermosa, Robinson's Place Imus, and General Trias, SM City Bacoor. Healthcare services gaya ng Kalayaan Kawit Hospital, San Pedro Calungsod Medical Center, Divine Grace Medical Center, and other major hospitals are just minutes away. It's the perfect sweet spot, far enough to escape the chaos and noise of the city, but close enough to all the modern conveniences you need. Alright kabayan, this is the part naman that will make you say, I want that. Remember, Park Royal is an existing community na. So the amenities aren't just drawings on a brochure. These are the amenities inside Park Royal. May mga swimming pools to cool off on a weekend kasama ang buong family. Clubhouse for your family gatherings and parties. Basketball courts and playgrounds where your kids can safely make friends. And most importantly, 24/7 security na gated and guarded that gives you unparalleled peace of mind, lalo na sa ating mga OFWs with families back home. Kabayan, here's why you need to pay attention right now. Because overlook doesn't mean will stay cheap forever. As more people discover this community, sure ako na the prices will go up, the units will become more scarce. Investing now means you're securing a property in a prime established location na hindi pa gaanong mataas ang price. This is your chance to be smart, not just follow the crowd. This is the chance to own a piece of a rare established community without the premium price tag of the overly commercialized projects. So, if you're looking for a prime location in the heart of Imus, an established, secured community with working amenities, a rare opportunity to get ahead of the curve, then you need to see Park Royal Imus for yourself. So, saang part ka na ng iyong home investing journey? Scouting, saving, tripping, or reservation? Please, tell us in the comments below. If this video made you smile or nakarelate ka dito, smash that like button, follow, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. We're always sharing tips for every stage of your journey. Also, share mo tong video sa friend mo who's also on this home buying journey. Kabayan, ever found yourself dreaming of your perfect house tapos bigla kang na-stuck parang, okay, gusto ko ng bahay, pero anong klaseng bahay ba talaga ang para sa akin? Well, good news! Sa Park Royal, maraming options. And today, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung mga iba't ibang model house options na available dito. Tara, alamin natin kung ano ang perfect fit para sa lifestyle mo. Let's talk about the townhouse units. This is the perfect choice for the modern, on-the-go lifestyle. Perfect for starters. If you're a young professional, a starting family, or an OFW looking for a smart and affordable entry into property ownership, this is it. Low maintenance living, less space to clean, less yard to maintain. Perfect if you're busy with work or based abroad, easy living talaga. Don't think small means simple. These townhouses are designed with modern aesthetics, sleek, contemporary, and very Instagrammable. Community vibe. You're part of a row of beautiful homes, creating a real sense of neighborhood and community. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko si Cheska Basic Inner Unit. You get a total floor area of 36 square meter on a 44 square meter lot area. It features 2 bedrooms, living room, dining room, 1 full toilet and bath, and a service area. May space para sa laundry area or dirty kitchen. And the best part, may carport. Hindi ka na magpa-park sa kalsada. For a starter home, sulit na ang features. You get everything you need to start your life. Now, let's talk about the part that gets everyone excited. The price. Please pause the video to see the sample computation. Kung iisipin mo, halos para ka lang nagre-renta ng condo o apartment ang monthly amortization, but this is so much better because in the end, sa'yo na ang bahay. You're not just paying rent, you're investing in your future. So after mo makita si Cheska, you love the idea of a starter home. But what if you need just a little more space? Maybe a bigger lot for the kids to play or a wider living area. Baka ito na yung perfect upgrade. That's still incredibly smart price. Meet the Audrey Basic Inner Townhouse. This model gives you a generous 45 square meter floor area on a 55 square meter lot. With 2 bedrooms, living room, dining room, 1 full toilet and bath, service area for doing your laundry, and the best part, a carport. Your car or motorcycle has its own home too. Hindi ka na ma-stress sa parking. For a family that's ready to upgrade, sulit na ang features. You get everything you need for a comfortable and convenient life. Please pause the video to see the sample computation. Now, let's level up! Kabayan, if you dream of a more spacious home with your own space and bigger lot, meet the single attached units! More space and privacy, this is it. You have more room to grow, a bigger floor plan, and no shared walls. Ibig sabihin, more privacy for you and your family. Great for investment. Single attached units often appreciate in value faster, so it's a stronger long-term investment sa katulad ng Park Royal na isang established community na. Kung pangarap mo talaga ang spacious na bahay na may mas malaking lote and you have a bigger budget or a growing family, the single attached unit is for you, kabayan. Kabayan, meet Felicity Single Attached Model. Look at the space! You get a generous 66 square meter lot with a 47.25 square meter floor area. This means more room for your future plans, a small garden, a patio for your morning coffee, or a playground for your kids. Felicity Single Attached Model features 2 spacious bedrooms, living room, dining room, 1 full toilet and bath, service area for doing the laundry or storage, and a carport. This isn't just a step up, it's a leap into the lifestyle you've been working hard for, kabayan. Please pause the video to see the computations of this fantastic property. let's move on sa ating next single attached model unit, which is the Dana model. Let's talk about what makes the Dana so special. This is a single attached home with 88 square meter lot area and 72.06 square meter floor area. It features 3 bedrooms, dining room, 2 full toilet and baths, service area at the back for your laundry needs or storage, and of course a carport to keep your car secured. Here's what it takes to own the Dana model. Please pause the video to see the sample computation. Kabayan, what does success look like to you? For many, it's not just a car or a career, it's a home. A home that can fit your entire story. A place for you, your family, and your dreams. If you're ready to build a legacy, then you need to see the Era model. This isn't just another property, it's a statement that you have arrived. Let's talk about what makes the Era not just a house, but a forever home. Era model features 4 bedrooms. Yes, 4. Perfect for a growing family, a home office, a gym, and even a guest suite for relatives visiting from abroad. 2 full toilet and baths, expansive living and dining area, balcony, spacious service area, and of course a carport to keep your vehicle safe. So, magkano nga ba to own a home like this? Please pause the video to see the computation. Kamusta, mga future homeowner? Lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na OFW. Naguguluhan ba kayo sa mga requirements para sa pag-avail ng inyong dream house? Huwag ka mag-alala, we're here to simplify it for you. Ang good news, we offer a complete service to make your home buying journey smooth and stress-free. No guesswork, no running around. We will guide you through every single step. First is the proof of income. For locally employed, 3 months of pay slips, Certificate of Employment and Compensation or COEC. For our OFWs naman, updated job contract. For self-employed naman, 6 months bank statements and ITR BIR Form 1701 with audited financial statements. Second are the valid IDs, company ID from your local or international employer, +1 government-issued ID like passport, driver's license, SSS UMID. Proof of billing, primary utility bills like Meralco, Maynilad, or PLDT bill. Dapat nakapangalan sa buyer. Kung hindi, authorization letter from the owner of the bill or barangay certificate na nagsasabing doon kayo nakatira. So, kabayan, let's summarize kung ano yung na-discuss natin today. If you are in search of a house that's affordable, well-connected, and perfect for your family, well, guess what? Cavite is the place to be, and Park Royal can make that happen. Here's why you should be excited. Whether you're a young professional, starting family, or an OFW building a future back home, may perfect house para sa'yo. From the affordable Cheska townhouse to the spacious 4-bedroom Era model, may choice ka from cozy to luxurious. Forget traffic worries. Cavite is now just 15 to 20 minutes away from MOA, 40 minutes to Makati, and super accessible via Cavitex Calax NAIA X and soon, LRT1 extension. Yes, biyahe made easy! We guide you from free tripping with your family, all the way to loan application and turnover. OFW? We've got you covered, special assistance para hindi ka mahirapan. With low reservation fees and flexible bank financing, kaya-kaya na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Hindi komplikado. We help you with docs, especially OFWs. Konting requirements lang like job contract and IDs, tuloy na ang pangarap mo. Don't let this chance slip away, kabayan. If you're serious about investing in your future, now is the time to take action. Contact us now on our social media channels na naka-flash sa screen. Complete presentation details, computations, our contact number and details are waiting for you in the description box below this video. Want options? Be sure to click the end screen for our next recommended video or playlist na siguradong magugustuhan nyo, kabayan. Okay, mga future homeowner, curious lang kami, saang part na ba kayo ng inyong home investing journey? Scouting, saving stage, tripping stage, or reservation stage? Comment below and tell us. Gusto naming malaman kung saan stage na kayo. And kung nakatulong sa iyo tong video na to, smash that like button, follow our page, and turn on notifications para lagi kang updated. Maraming salamat sa panonood, kabayan. Kita-kita ulit sa next video.